I think leading into the last of the three things that we want to highlight for you is building walls on boundaries. So naturally, being a smaller lot, it's very common. Every small lot will have a wall and boundary pretty much. So instead of, like the traditional lots where you've got like a brick wall and then you've got like this, meter and a little bit of pathway down the side of the house, with a small lot, a lot of the time you don't actually have that luxury. They're built from one boundary where the garage is, right on the boundary, right through across to the other one. And you got to factor in that you now know you don't have a window on a boundary. You can't, because there's nowhere to look through. There's no light to get in. So some of these small lot designs will be quite clever in that they have a certain section that's all on boundary, and then that kicks back in, and then there'll be a window there. There'll be like this little jut out that has a window here and a window there and a sliding door, from a laundry or whatever. So the designs are quite clever to allow for this. Most builders will have it covered. But I want you to know, as a listener or a viewer, that when you're building a wall on a boundary, the Small Lot Housing Code is quite generous. It allows you to pretty much build as long as you want, because they want you to fit as much house on the block as you can, because they're understanding and respectful of the fact that it's a small block. With Res Code, you've got more restriction.